Okay, let's start the NHISS 2022. First of all, thank you very much for your coming and all these supports. Let me first let me first say sorry because this is going to be on and off, so it may not be as smooth as it used to be, but let's try. So let me first introduce a general introduction of this conference. And okay, so let me first thank organizers, Dr. Jongchul Lee and Michael Flatov and Jonghyun Seo. Without their support, this is really really difficult to achieve. Also, there is Miss Mina Kim in the back there. She is helping me all the time. And also, I'd like to thank all the financial support from various different institutes. And so let me give you a little bit of history of this. We start this conference 2020 without thinking of anything. So we definitely thought that it must be an on-site conference, but you know what happens. So it became a webinar. And then we hope that we would have on-site in 2021. Yes, two international on-site participants. Thank you very much, Richard and Miguel. Really brave scientist, came to Korea all the way through this difficult time. And this year we would have a lot more. So let me first tell you why we start this conference. In the CNN news in 2014, Professor Sherrill said, extrapolating far into the future, chemists might be able to pick and choose components when building software if we had the right software tools and components. And so I think that everybody here in this room understands why this is necessary. And we tried something, and it was a prototype, and it was something that people can play with, but it's not that mature as it has to be. So after that, we thought about this quite a lot, and we kind of think that maybe we first need to establish something for developers. So there's a brilliant guys here, Igor and Vladimir, is establishing something interesting API, so that through C interface, any of these computer languages can be interconnected. And so we're trying to develop something like this. So we developed something for developers first, so that whether this idea works. And we think that this is going to be a really useful tool, sharing our ideas and exchange software more easily than before. Okay, now let me tell you a little bit of the important things, more important things. And we will provide the lunch, basically sandwich. It would change the real content of that will be changing. I think it's a tuna sandwich, and also sometimes it could be different. Okay, and you can have lunch in this room. And dinner, okay. Today's dinner is the black pork barbecue. Looks like this. This is really traditional, the local food here. And it doesn't look like black, right? But we call it black. There is a reason for that. And next to it, there's a sauce. Some people really likes it. Some people really hates it. So we'll find it out, which side you are. And tomorrow we will have a giant cutlet fish. You see that it's long. And I will tell you how to eat it because it's too long, so it's kind of difficult to try. Okay, and then on the Wednesday we will go for excursion, and we will start from 9 a.m. in the morning. So we will have a bus in front of this building. So please come in front of this building tomorrow, 9 a.m. And we go for Bijarim Forest. It's a good place to take a walk. We'll spend time there, and we'll have a lunch, okay, which will be black pork barbecue again. So, and then after noon, we will go to Folk Village, where you can see traditional houses and the tools and things like that in all days. Okay, so for webinar, for the panelist, please turn off and on your microphone during the sessions. If you are speakers and you need to turn on your mic, and if you're not, please turn off your microphones. And also, please check sharing PowerPoint during the breaks. For the attendees, you can use either Q&A or waving hands options for questions. And your talk is 20 minutes plus 5 minutes discussions. So please keep the time. And then welcome to Korea and welcome to Jeju, of course, and welcome to conference. Thank you very much. Okay. So Michael gave me a question, tomorrow or Wednesday? Which one? For excursion.
For the excursion.
Which would be Wednesday, the day after tomorrow.
Right.
9 a.m. Sharp. Okay. Okay, so we still have a few minutes, so we can have a break about 5 minutes. And then Michael is going to be the chair of the next session.